me ask you, am I dreaming? Am I in a dream? Or is this real? 'Cause you know what? I can get over with this view.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts,
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with this.
Bago umalis dito, susulitin natin ang ating unayan. Susulitin natin. Okay.
Something just like this.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls a suit before he lifts. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits.
But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superheroes, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. Oh, 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 I want something just like this.
Morning swim. Hi guys. Hindi ko alam anong ginagawa ko. Pero papa, ano, bago ako mag-pikulot. Medyo ano ba, malumot dito yung park dito. Ayan. This is the life that I want. Ay, always so nice ng mga tao. Tingnan ko. Yung vlogger na ako siya. Okay. So, ganito pala kapag may tripod. Hindi mo na kailangan mag... Ay, magpapatan tayo. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Bale, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tin Rock. Trying to vlog. Bale, kakatapos ko lang dito. Kaya pa. Kasi dito pala yung circle. Good morning everyone. This is Bianca Siguro Center. And we are here today to witness. Ang pagsasalita ni Bianca ng mag-isa. We're having fun here. We're having fun. Bro, where's the sun? Ayan, hindi ko na alam. Asan na yung sun? Nagpapasan tayo eh. Nag-ano tayo sa sun. Tapos biglang natakpan ng clouds. Tapos yun. Lumalamig na naman yung hangin. Hey, the sun's back. Ayan. Mag-workout tayo. Let's do some quick workout. Bago tayo mag-swim. Tapos, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako makaayos dito. It's hot. Dapat pala kasi talaga. Ayun, paalis na ba sila? Ba't umalis na yung isa kong kasama? Papatan tayo. Yo. Andin ako? Wait, sa lahat ng mga nangyayari natin, napuntahan ko, parang, saan na dito ko? My mind has its time to rest. Hindi ko din alam saan ang next na pupuntahan. Pero kung pwede sana. Char, I don't know. Gusto ko magpunta Puraaran. Look around me, guys. So nice. This is the life. This is life, bro. This is life. Ayan, vloggers na tayo. Mga vlogger. Ang peg. Hindi, gusto ko lang talaga mag-video. Ay,
Best friend na lang ba?
Ayan. And malililipat. Change location.
Magka-roommate.
Location.
Mamaya. Ano tayo ay? Yung adan! Payak yan, payak.
So tell me when to stop. Hi guys. Eh, yung sea turtle, kuya? Saan dyan? Sea turtle. Talagang meron nag-ano dyan? Oh. Pwede lang puntahan, visit.
Ano mo yung bantay dito?
I mean, hindi naman lalakad dun, pero titingnan lang ganun. Hindi naman ako pupunta sa ano. Hindi naman, kuya. Hindi naman ako pwede pumasok dun. Oo. Para lang patingnan lang. Ayun, guys. Tingnan natin yung mga sea turtle. Kung merong sea turtle eggs. It's white sun here than white sun. Look at the sea turtle. Bale, ito daw yung sea turtle egg nest. Kaso, hindi ko siya makita. Tapos, ito yung view ng face of Jesus. But I don't know where's the face of Jesus here. I'm not sure if that's the one. Yun daw. Hindi ko sure kung yan yun. Yan ba yun? Yan na yung face of Jesus. Ano? Hello, you're here again. Huh?
It's you. Binurong.
Binurong? So, bale na-meet ko ulit mga nakasama namin sa Binurong and I had small talks with them. And it's fun talaga talking to strangers. Bale, while I'm in Binurong, nagpa-picture ako yung ating tour guide and they were there when I told ate na mas maganda yung kabilang side ko. And they were laughing together during that time kasi ang funny nga talaga naman. Hi guys! Nasa face of Jesus tayo.
Ako nga din sa... Ay, sige. Habang nag-video.
Another stopover at Barangay Bato. This was after the Talisoy Beach while we were going to Puraran Beach.
Ganda, di ba? Ganda.
Tapos look, ang mayon, it's visible. So guys, nasa Bato Church tayo.
Dito po tayo.
Alam nyo ba na this is one of my bucket list talaga na pupuntahan kapag ako'y nasa Catanduanes? And now we're here! So, babalik kami sa Majestic kasi doon na kami mag-overnight. Sabi ko, babalik ako. And I know, babalik ako agad. Not after 2 weeks, not after 1 week, pero just a day after. Like 1 day. Tapos yun. Sana makapag-surfing tayo. Look at the daan. Alright guys, let me tell you something. I'm seriously thinking about heading back here sa Puraran Beach. Like, for real. It's just so chill here, and you know what? The vibe is super laid back. It's very raw, and everything feels so genuine and real. Like, you can just be yourself, no pretending or anything like that. Na para bang breath of fresh air, ganon? You know, it's very awesome. Ang saya talaga, as in so much. And I know, babalik ako dito sooner or later. Yeah. Bali, after pala nito, nag-surfing ako kaso wala akong video. So, yeah. Bali, ito yung video na nakuha ng mga kasama ko from our accommodation. This was nung papunta kami dun sa may surfing area talaga. Nakailang semplang din ako. Itong video na to, na-semplang ulit ako dito. I mean, nahulog sa board, ganun.
I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? No, am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? That's just
Hi guys. So ayun na nga. Kakatapos ko lang mag-surfing lesson. Ayun, nagsisiming tayo. I don't know. Gusto ko mag-favorite. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo naman kasi. Ay! Kanina nagsasanglitin ako, na-met ko sila, nakita ko sila ulit. So, I joined them and yeah, of course, I also talked to them and chit-chat and nagtanong-tanong lang kung ano-ano.
Pa siya? Malakas-lakas pa. Ano?
Ah, so dapat talaga nasa ano?
Ubas?
Oo,
Mababaw.
ganyan. Ay, nauulam pala yan. Actually, hindi ko sure kung nakaulam na ako ng ganyan. Pero yung mga shell na kanina, yun, nakaulam na ako. Yung pinakita mo. Yung nasa, dry. Wait. So guys, I was feeling a bit bored after swimming. So, just hanging out. I was looking for something fun to do, and then I thought, hey, why not go to skateboarding? So I ran into the skate factory and lent me his skateboard, which is super cool. Then, nung umalis sila, yung kasama niya, wala na akong skateboard na gagamitin. But then, I also found out that there's this resort nearby that also lends out skateboards. So, of course, I had to buy one. And, ayun, yun ang ginamit ko hanggang gumabi. Hanggang magdilim talaga. By the way, this is my first time doing skateboarding. And, I would say, gusto ko nang bumili ng skateboard ngayon. Kahit na sakit-sakit na sa paa ko. Kinagabihan, after kumain, nakipaglaro na ako sa mga dogs. Ayan, ang kulit-kulit niya. Pero ang saya niya makipaglaro dyan sa mga asong yan. Meron pang isa actually. Good morning! And now we are here pa rin sa Puraran, pero nag-aayos na ako. Nakaayos na ako. At nagkakape. Ayun, nagkakape tayo. Bago tayo umalis dito. Gusto ko pa mag-extend. Cyflix for breakfast. Sarap na mag-morning swim. Ay, para dyan. Rest na ako.